Greetings YouTube, Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. In this morning's video, we want to give you guys a quick look at some much welcome return from our perennials that we planted here a couple of years ago. We have both orange, Asiatic lilies, and pineapple tulips planted right here in front of our front porch. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you exactly what those guys look like as they make their return to our front yard garden extended grow area this year. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, this is where we planted our orange, Asiatic lilies, and our pineapple tulips along our front porch a couple of years ago. And before I show you what they're looking like this morning, this is what they looked like in our garden last year. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what they're looking like this morning, Tuesday, March the 25th, 2020. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Yes, indeed. This first one here is one of our orange Asiatic lilies. It hasn't begun coming to blossom yet, but we're expecting those to blossom within the next 2 to 3 days. This is one of our pineapple tulips, and again, as you can see, she is indeed in full blossom. There's a couple of those down there in that hole. One of them already came into blossom, and that blossom dried up a few days ago, and we removed it from the planter here. This is our second pineapple tulip here in our garden, and indeed we're very excited to see that they did make their return this year and are indeed in the stage of blossoming out for us. This is our third pineapple tulip here in our garden. As you can see, we have about 4 blossoms down there. One's fully open. We have 3 that's in the process of opening right now in that planter over there. Our fourth pineapple tulip has not made its return here in our garden this year. We're not sure why. This is the one that's located right here in front of Bumblebee Junction. For some reason, that one did not return this year. So we will indeed be going out and purchasing another bulb and replacing that one right there in that planter. The one here on the end was indeed our orange Asiatic lily. And again, they are yet to blossom. But if you look in the center there, you can see those blossoms already forming there in the center. But again, YouTube, our orange Asiatic lilies and our pineapple tulips, a much welcome return to our garden landscape here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are watching this video and you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, our orange Asiatic lilies and our pineapple tulips, a much welcome return to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
But every day I wake up going through the same. I thought that you would leave me standing in the cold. I often dream about you, got me waking up at night. Deep in reflection, and I'm hoping